Hello guys, welcome to another SMCDAO tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get ETH from app.pts. So to do this, you need your Binance, your Kiwi browser or your Mrs. browser if you're using a mobile device. And of course, you need your Gmail to receive your passcode and your Google Authenticator just in case you've done a two-factor authenticator for your Binance app. Okay, to do this, I'll click on my Kiwi browser and I am on app.pts.io. So I'll connect my wallet. I click on connect. I choose MetaMask and we'll have to wait for this to load. Okay, my wallet is connected. Make sure you're connected to the Pulse chain in here. Mine is connected to the Pulse chain. So to get your ETH, you click on the top right corner of your screen closer to your address. I click on it and I click on buy crypto. Okay, and this page comes up. So I will pay let's use TRX. I'll be using TRX to get ETH. So I click on TRX, which is TRON, and I pair it with ETH, which I'm getting. I click on ETH. So I will impute the amount of TRX I'll be using to get the ETH. Okay, I'll be using 116 TRX. As you can see, 116 TRX gives me 0.00363. Let's increase this to 117 TRX. So this gives me 0.0045 ETH. So I click on exchange and a dialog will come up where you can impute your recipient's address, the address you'll be using to receive the ETH. I have copied mine already to my clipboard, so I just paste the ETH address from my MetaMask and I click on next and I click on exchange again. So on this screen you are seeing you should send 117 TRX to this address. So you copy this address and you go to your sex. I'll be using Binance for this. I click on my Binance and under my spots trading I click on withdraw crypto. Okay, I click on withdraw. I choose TRX and I choose to send via crypto network. I submit the address I copied from the site and I impute the amount of TRX, which was 117 TRX, and I click on withdraw. I click on confirm. Okay, I'll go directly to my authenticator app to get my code. So I paste the code I copied from my authenticator app in here and I have sent out 117 TRX to the site. So I go back to the site and I wait for the confirmation that I have deposited 117 TRX. Let's widen the screen. This may take a while, but you have to make sure your screen is on to make sure the transaction is confirmed and they will exchange the crypto and send to the wallet you provided to them. So I will wait for the confirmation. This may take a while. All right, they are sending the crypto to my wallet. Let's wait for the confirmation. Let's wait till this ticks too. As you can see, this awaiting deposit is ticked, the confirming is ticked, and the exchanging is ticked. So we'll wait for the sending to you to be ticked too, and then we can navigate to our wallet, our MetaMask wallet, to confirm the transaction. Bravo. Right, we have our ETH sent to our wallet. So I will navigate to my MetaMask wallet. Stay with me. I open my MetaMask wallet. And I will have to change the network to Ethereum mainnet to be able to see. Stay with me. I go to my settings. I go to networks. And I click on Ethereum mainnet. Okay, I will change it from here. I click on Ethereum mainnet. All right, let's go back to the home page. All right, we have our ETH ready in our wallet. I used $15 worth of TRX to get $13 worth of ETH, $13.07. So as you can see, it's very cheap to get your ETH from this site rather than using the SEXs to get your ETH. You can use app.pts. Thank you for watching today's tutorial video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and as well turn on your notification bell for more educative content. Thank you.